Hey guys, welcome back. We are doing a 10% off Christmas sale. I just want you guys to know I'm doing this quick video right now. It won't be too long, won't take up too much of your time. But I'm gonna go ahead and click play, guys. We are doing a beautiful 10% off Christmas sale. All you have to use is code WINTER at checkout. You're gonna get 10% off almost every single item on the website, guys. Just go on there. That includes the 22 by 24s, the 22 by 36, the 22 by 6. Go onto the website right now, use code WINTER to get 10% off. We were running this code for, I think, 2-3 days now. Today's actually Sunday, December 11th. We plan on running it into our next sale. So we don't know what our next sale is gonna be. And we're actually working on some new products. So we know you guys like those buy 5, get 1 frees. Take advantage of that, guys. If you use code WINTER, you're gonna get 10% off your buy 5, get 1 free. If you get buy 10, get 2 free. Again, take advantage of the code WINTER, the promo code WINTER. You're gonna get 10% off that order as well. If it's your first time purchasing, and you just want a regular 22 by 24, when you use code WINTER, it's gonna take that $19.99 price and drop it down to $17.99 with that 10% off code, guys. So this way, anybody out there who's looking to get into DTF and doesn't know much about it, it's not gonna cost you that much to do it, especially now with this 10% off code. So guys, please run over to the website. I'm gonna play this little holiday thing again. Please run over to the website, use code WINTER, get 10% off your order. You just really take advantage of that sale. And thank you for everybody out there. I hope everybody continues to stay blessed and stay safe. All right, guys, stay tuned for the next video. And if you don't know anything about DTF, we are Flash Custom Transfers. We are the leading we are the leading company in DTF. We the biggest company on YouTube, so thank you for checking us out. Again, if you have any questions, you can email us at ordernow@flashcustomtransfers.com. Again, if you have any questions, say you have a question, you're like, hey, do you guys have stickers? Yes, we do, right here. This right here is one of our beautiful stickers, right? Vinyl stickers, full color. Email us at ordernow@flashcustomtransfers.com. If it's your first time ordering, you're like, you know what is DTF? Well, this is DTF. This right here is our famous 22 by 24 inch gang sheet. This sheet right now with your 10% off code is only $17.99. Is it plastisol or is it water-based ink? This is water-based ink and is not plastisol. DTF uses a special adhesive. That goes on the back, which allows it to adhere extremely well to any material. Cottons, polyblends, tri-blends, polyester, nylon, you name it, DTF adheres to it. So again, if you have any questions, ask us at ordernow@flashcustomtransfers.com. But if you already know how to order and you already know the DTF process, you already know how it works, you already know how to create a gang sheet and stuff like that, head on over to flashcustomtransfers.com. Use your code WINTER to get your 10% off. For anybody else out there who has any other question, order now at flashcustomtransfers.com, guys. Sorry. But thank you for everything and see you soon. Peace.